The Hurjet is an advanced Turkish-made fighter aircraft developed by Turkish Aerospace Industries TAI. It was designed as a replacement for the aging F-5 Tiger fighter. The Hurjet has various technological advancements that make it a very capable fighter. It has a modern and efficient aerodynamic design, making it highly maneuverable. The Hurjet is equipped with twin turbofan engines that allow it to achieve supersonic speeds of up to Mach 1.2 at a long range. The aircraft is also equipped with modern avionics and advanced weapon systems, including AESA radar, flight control software, and digital weapon control systems. In addition, the Hurjet also has an advanced cockpit with a digital display system and fly-by-wire controls, allowing the pilot to easily operate the aircraft in various situations. The aircraft is also equipped with an integrated fuel tank system, which allows the aircraft to perform long-range missions without the need to stop for refueling. The Hurjet also has the capability of vertical operations, or STOL, short takeoff and landing on short airstrips, and is capable of carrying a wide range of weapons, from air-to-air missiles to air-to-ground missiles to precision bombs. In terms of operations, the Hurjet has lower operational costs compared to other combat aircraft. It is also equipped with advanced self-protection systems, such as countermeasure and chaff layer systems, which can keep the aircraft safe from missiles and target weapons. Overall, the Hurjet is an advanced and modern fighter that is highly capable of carrying out Turkey's defense and security missions. This aircraft is a proud technological achievement for the Turkish defense industry.